Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to make your display name invisible on Discord. So basically you just need to go to here on settings here, right click. As you can see, my profile is already invisible, so I'm just going to show you guys how. Go click on profile, click find yourself first on the list here, or you could either go to user settings and profiles. Once you're here on the display name, you just remove that, so that, or paste it again so I can show you guys. So this is basically the um text that you need to type into, so it's like a special character, the tilde, but it's more different. So just like that, just need to click on save changes. As you put that particular text, you can go back, and as you can see, your display name or server name is now invisible. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.